China says manufacturing activity expanded in March, defying expectations of a contraction, CNBC. Nobel Prize-winning physicist Philip Anderson dies at age 96. SciTechDaily Rumor, new Resident Evil coming in 2021 is cross-gen and biggest departure in series history, Games Radar Plus UK. NASA selects Space Science CubeSat mission, Space News. 13 Best Animal Crossing, New Horizons tips for Nintendo Switch, CNET. Rian Johnson may only have a single The Last Jedi regret, showbiz cheat sheet. Stuck at home? Use iPhone photos to relive memories and view live photos, CNET. Relief on the horizon? Trump and Putin discuss oil markets, oilprice.com. Former Call of Duty exec responds to skill-based matchmaking controversy, GameSpot. Comet of a generation set to light up the night sky, The Time.